In this video, we will show you how to turn your cheap non-multimedia keyboard into multimedia keyboard, which means you will be able to play, pause and increase or decrease volume without needing to go to the media application interface. So if you do not have a modern keyboard with multimedia keys as dedicated buttons or as hotkeys, and if you are using keyboard like this which does not have dedicated multimedia keys and frustrated of switching to your media player application for controlling your media functions, then this video is for you. So the idea is to remap a few of lesser used keys on your keyboard into dedicated media keys. And as we will use lesser used keys for remapping, so your day-to-day workflow should not affect much. And by doing this, you will be able to control media functions simply by pressing keys on your keyboard. Now, in order to achieve this functionality, we will use an open source program which is AutoHotKey. This is a very lightweight program and it does not stress on system. Let's open the web browser and go to the AutoHotKey website. Click on download and we will download the setup file. Now download the version 2 and save it on your desired location. Now let's install the software. Double click on the setup file, click on install, accept the permission, select yes, and the software is installed. Now there are two ways we can use this software. One is by simply calling the script at the Windows logon time, or we can make an exe file of that script by using inbuilt compiler, and we can also call this exe file at the Windows logon. So we will show you both the ways and you can use the method you prefer. Okay, so now we need to write the script for the key remapping, and to do that we need to know the syntax, and we can know the syntax from the website. So let's open the AutoHotKey web page, and if you scroll down and under keybinds click on learn more, it will open the manual page. From the left hand side you can find the content tab. Now click on remapping keys, and from here we can know the syntax. So the syntax is origin key ;; destination key, and we also need to know the names for the keys. And to know the names, now click on list of keys. As we will modify the multimedia keys, so we need to know the names for the multimedia keys, and to know that names, now click on multimedia keys. Here in this table you can find all the key and their names, so we'll simply copy those names and remap in the script. Now back to AutoHotKey, click on new script, give it a name. Let's name it media key remap, and save it on your desired location. We will save it on desktop for easy access. And now we click on edit, select notepad and click on OK. Okay, so now we will write the script here. Here we will configure the lesser used function keys for our media controls. So let's write the script. Let's make F6 to the previous key. So the command is type media underscore prev. Now we'll configure F7 as play pause. So the code is media underscore play underscore pause. Then we'll configure F8 as the next track. The command is media underscore next. And then we will configure F9 for the volume down, which is volume underscore down. And F10 for the volume up. Okay, so the scripting is complete now. We will save the script, go to the file and click on save. Okay, so that's it. Now close this window. Okay, so now we need to call the script, and to do that we will use Windows Task Scheduler. So from start menu, let's open the Windows Task Scheduler. On the right hand side, in the action panel, you can find the create task. Click on it, give it a name. Let's name it AutoHotKey. Go to the trigger tab, click on new, and as we want to start the script at the Windows logon, so from the drop down we will select at logon. Click on OK. Go to the action tab, click on new. Now browse to the script that we just created, media key remap. Now click on open and click on OK. Now finally click on OK. Okay, so the task scheduler is ready for doing this job. Now close this window. If we restart the machine, you can find the script is automatically running at the Windows logon. So the method 2 is we need to convert this script file into exe file, and to do that we will use this inbuilt compile option. Now click on the compile, and it is saying that it is not installed but it can download and install. So let's click on OK. It will take a few seconds. Okay, so the installation is complete now. We have the compiler. Now we need to browse to the script file. Click on browse and select the script file, and now click on convert. Click on OK. So we have the exe file here on the desktop. The compiler will create the exe file under the same directory where your source file is located. Now we need to call this exe file. So to do that, go to the Windows task scheduler, and as you know, we already created a task for the script, so we need to delete this, otherwise it will conflict. So delete this previously created task, and now we will create a new task. Click on create task. Let's name it AutoHotKey exe. Go to the trigger, click on new, select at logon, click on OK. Go to the action tab, click on new. Now browse to the exe file, click on open, click on OK, and again click on OK. Okay, so the task is created. Every time it will start when we start the Windows. Okay, so one benefit of using this exe file is that you do not need this AutoHotKey installed on your system. So we will simply uninstall this AutoHotKey from control panel. So let's go to the control panel, click on uninstall a program, and from here we will uninstall this AutoHotKey. Select the remove all, and the AutoHotKey is uninstalled now. And now we will restart the system, and after that we will check if the AutoHotKey is working or not. Okay, so we have restarted Windows. Now we will check if AutoHotKey is working. So let's press F9, which we set for the volume down, and on the display you can see the volume is decreasing. Now we will press F10, which is set for volume up. So let's see if it's working. Okay, so that means the volume up and down key are working. Now we will check the play pause button. We have some MCS music, so let's press F7, which is set for play pause, and the media is playing now. We will press F8 for the next track, and the track has changed. Now we will do a previous track, F6, and the track has also changed. Okay, so that means AutoHotKey is properly working. So that was it. We hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.